Hi everyone, Dorota, Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today we are going to play again with the stamper, and this time I will show you how to do the marble look. You can have a little preview of it in here. Absolutely cute pink set with a tiny bit of the gold flakes just to bling it up, and I hope you will really enjoy watching this technique. Also, if you're new in here, don't forget to subscribe as there is lots of tutorials coming up every Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Let's start! Look at those beautiful designs which we are going to create. So it's like a pinkish marble with some gold flakes, a very easy technique. I have been playing with the stampers recently and I will show you how to recreate it. So I will show you what I'm using for the tip application. So this is a tiny bit of the blue tack. It's like a kind of form of plastiline and I just stick that in. I find it is pretty good. I've got this red tape. I actually never use it as well. It's supposed to be pretty good too. And then I'm scratching the surface of the tip to get it ready. Remove the dust. So that's two of my tips ready, and now we are going to play with the stamper design. So I've got the stamper, and I usually for those kind of messy work I use the older stamper the better. I don't want to ruin the good ones, and the colors we will use for it is a Sugar Rush 200 and then 173, which is Tic Tac white. So you've got two options. One option is you could go straight away into the stamper and just paint the gel polish over there, or you could put it on the mixing palette. I quite like to do it on the mixing palette, and the reason for it is I don't pick up too much of the product then. Okay, so all you have to do it is just go and do a couple of white dots, pink dots, and then you could either leave it the way it is and just pick up the design, or you could smudge it, and I will do half part which is smudge it and half part which is just like this, so you could see it two ways. So this part I'm going to smudge it like a wee swirly bits, and it's already look pretty nice. So you could do it straight away on the stamper as well. And I'm going to pick this design up, okay? And then go and just stamp it over. It's so pretty and so quick, like really quick. And just check if you're missing some color. And then once I'm happy with it, I'm going to cook it. And then on this one, you can see it, I have no mixed place. So I'm just going straight into this, and you can see it, what kind of marble I have picked up. So I do really suggest you play, guys, with it, because it can give you a really nice results. Okay, you can even wiggle a little bit to smudge it, and that's pretty interesting look as well. I think it will look absolutely fantastic in blue as well. And that's pretty nice what we've got on the mixing palette too, like a wee, it looks actually almost like a wee shell. Let's get those gold sparkle and the top coat over it, so we can do another layer, then we can get a more dimension. So I'm just picking up like an old brush and a drop of the base gel. Drop of the base gel, old brush, and we'll go more outside this time to don't hide those beautiful design. So more at the edges. Okay, pick up those small piece and then tear it apart. Flash cure it. And then do the same on this one. So here I'm going to go straight away and apply some gold without of doing 2 layers, just so you can see, guys, difference. It's a fun playing with all these different designs. Okay, drop more. And then once you're happy, flash cure it. Now our next step is to apply the top coat. So we can do the second layer. So top coat in. Then top coat on this one. So quick way of doing it. I quite like to use the brush for picking up the marble designs as well. But for going for a full coverage, this is much quicker. Like, it's an absolutely speedy technique, like so quick. Okay, and then we are going to pick up the design again. You can clean the stamp or you can just use it the way it is and go and add more. Okay, I'm just not applying it over the gold. I think it looks so beautiful. And cure it. So this one is ready, and I can just place it to the collection. And then the last one, I will like it much more because it has those 2 layers in there. So let's apply the top coat over it. You could actually create so many different stones using this technique. Actually, I might quickly try it as well, one more, for autumn, because obviously autumn is coming really quick. So let me try it quickly, one more in those autumny colors, because I'm actually pretty interested how it will look. It will give me also idea what I could do for a clients in a salon as well. I love those play days where I can try different things and see the end results of it. So buff it quickly. Clean it. I'm going to also wipe the stuff from my mixing palette. From the stamper. And then we will go for some yellow and oranges and reds. And maybe I will show you straight away on the stamper as well. So yellow, orange, and I will need to search quickly for a red. Perfect. No, that's pink. So cameraman, I need 162, which is lipstick, and we was using it today. That's the one. Yeah, so 162 lipstick. And then you could stamp over it some leaf pattern. Yeah, that would be pretty interesting. So basically what you could do is you could do splashes of the color like that, just apply it wherever. Or you could also use the brush to smudge it a little bit. Okay, smudging it's give a pretty nice results because it's already look like there is something going on in there, and then just press it. And press it. That's actually really pretty. I love it. Like, I mean, it's so quick and so cool technique. You just touch it a couple times with the stamper and ta-da! So that's awesome for autumn. Let's cook it. Oh yeah, I will definitely use it for some autumn design. And then this one is ready. I will decorate the other one as well because I think it looks super cool. But that's what we have created today. So some marbles in there. I love it. Like, so cute set. Really cute. Pinks and golds. Something what I like. But let's decorate this one. This is awesome. I love those oranges and yellows together. It looks like a fire nail. Yeah, absolutely. You could even draw like a fire flame in there and black, and that would look fantastic too. Well, let's pick up those gold flakes. So I've got a couple with the base gel. Base gel, where are you? And apply them in. So I want just a tiny bit more to the bottom. I don't want to hide this beautiful design because I really like it actually. And I will be slower with the foil application as well, just so it is nicer, like flatter. Just a small accents. Really pretty. I love this one, like, and I will keep this nail and I will do some rest of the design. Love this color combination. Wow. Cook it in. I will keep it as an inspiration for the next set because I've got few ideas coming in, like even this nail, just a marble, and then we could do a similar one as a flames. Like I've got really, my head is just exploding. And that's what I love the most in a play days, that you do one design and then you get an idea for a second, and then you do a second one and you get idea for a third one. That's kind of best designs. When you just came up with them like that. Look at this. It's cool. Honestly, it's so cool. Like I wouldn't be able to do it, those kind of marble by hand, and the stamper made an amazing job. I also tried it with some other colors, and it was yellow, blue, and those pink, and they turned it out almost like a bubble gum. So bubble gum nail art, that was awesome too. I encourage you guys to try this technique, and if you do, hashtag Dorota Palicka, as I would love to see your color combinations on the Instagram, sending you lots of, that's pretty cool as well, even just wiping it off from the stamper. But yeah, I'm sending you lots of glittery hacks, and check this design out again. And also the fire one, which is almost ready as well. So yeah, lots of glittery hacks, and bye for now.